Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Catalyst Pharmaceuticals Inc. Now this stock has performed, outperformed and finally make a very big breakout. If you are looking at this chart, a big breakout has happened over a period of last couple of years and this trend is going to move higher and higher again. So let us discuss about the big outperformance and how does this going to impact the overall trend and what are the targets or big targets if you are looking at the price chart of Catalyst Pharmaceuticals Inc. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. Primarily, if you are looking at this chart, you must remember this level because the stock has been trading under this level for the last couple of years, to be specific, from the highs of 2007 to the lows of 2012, 2016 and probably the breakout. So the breakout has happened after a very long time of 12-13 years, and the levels which you must know or understand about are 5.8, which is your immediate support, whereas $5 is going to be your stop loss on the downside. So these are the two most important levels that we are going to discuss as far as the overall trend is concerned. So what you need to do over here, do not go below $5 as this is going to be a strict stop loss. Now let me tell you one more thing. There are some people which may say that even $7 is also the higher end of the range. So we must consider $7 rather than considering $5.8 as our breakout level. Yes, you can probably be. So for them, you can use $7.7 as your big resistance, and beyond $7.7 consider this as a stop loss. But right now, the way the stock has moved, $5.8 is satisfactory for us, and beyond $5.8, if the stock continues to move on the upside, we will consider it as a big breakout. So right now that has happened, and that is what we are looking or targeting at, and the levels which we are going to look at is the big question. So what are the levels? What are the big levels that we must look at as of now? So as I told you, the support and the stop loss levels, so do not go below $5, and one should also recognize $7.73 as your primary target. Okay, so $7.73 is going to be the initial target that we are going to look at. After 7.7 or let's say $8, if the stock started moving, let me show you the initial trend of the target which we have here. So at least, there is a thing called at least. So what we can expect for the stock to at least move beyond $8, and the range that will open up for us, it is in between $24 and $39 on the upside. So this is the intermediate trend that we have here as far as the overall chart is concerned. But is this the big trend for Catalyst Pharmaceutical Inc? Should I go for it? What is the stock review? What is the forecast for the long term? For that, what you need to look at is the overall chart. And if you're looking at the overall chart, you can specifically see these are two levels which are your big support. Why I am using this? Because this will help me to understand what should going to be the probable big targets in the upcoming years. So what we have here are 52 cents and 39 cents. If I just calculate the percentage change from the lower end to the higher end of the range, we have 1000% worth of move. Now if I do apply this 1000% after the breakout, what I'm getting here is a target. Let me show it to you. What I'm getting here is a target which is at least $66. So this is what I'm getting here in the longer term. And if I may extend this one to $39, I'm getting here a 1300% worth of move. So a 1300% or 1400% worth of move can give me a big target of $88. So this is what we have here as far as the long-term trend is concerned. Now I explained you the short-term, intermediate term and the long-term trend of Catalyst Pharmaceutical Inc. So probably you will get the stock update. Where does the stock leads to? Should I buy the stock or not, and what is the forecast? Probably all these questions get answered as far as the overall chart or the trend is concerned. So looking at the chart, this is the big breakout that one must look at, and in spite of volatility, in spite how the market is moving, just focus on how the stock or how that individual particular stock is doing in the overall market. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for